Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eugenia Kelsey. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I prep my hair as well as my hair treatment for massive hair growth and also to retain the most of my length that I grow. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's go ahead and just get right into it. I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I've showed myself washing and deep conditioning my hair so many times. If this is your first time on my channel, just look on your right and I'll leave a link to one of those videos that you can check out. To moisturize my hair, I will be using the Cornrows Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner and the Bhringraj Ayurvedic Oil to seal in the moisture. So a little bit about this leave-in conditioner. It contains aloe vera, and aloe vera helps to moisturize the hair and scalp. It also contains humectants, and what humectants do is that they pull moisture from the atmosphere to make sure that my hair is moisturized. So I only need it to apply about once a week, and it keeps my hair moisturized throughout the whole week. I then go ahead and detangle my hair using the blow dry with heat tension method. So with this method, you don't use the comb attachment that comes with the blow dry. And this is because if I were to use the comb attachment, it would just rip through my hair. This method just does it fine to be able to stretch my hair out. And I'm using this method especially because someone else is going to be braiding my hair and they're not going to have as much care and patience with it as I would. So I just want to avoid any chance of them ripping through my hair. Next, I apply my Bhringraj Ayurvedic oil. Ayurvedic herbs really helps in promoting hair growth and also prevents hair fall. And this is really important because like I said, I'm going to be braiding my hair. It's going to be tucked away for a long time, about 6 weeks. And when I take it out, I don't want it to be falling out. So that's the point of this oil. I'm going to repeat the same routine that I did on this section on the other section of my hair, and as I continue to do this, I twist the section that I've already done just to make sure that I don't have all of my hair out and to reduce the chance of it getting tangled again, because I really put a lot of time into this and I just don't want my hair to be everywhere and to also get retangled. Oh, I also wanted to say this. I'm very particular about my ends. So as you can see in this video and throughout, I'm always shielding the ends of my hair with my hands, and that's because it's the oldest part of my hair and it tends to be the most fragile. So like I don't want it to be exposed to too much heat where it breaks off or it gets heat damage. So that's why I'm holding onto the ends, and then it's the last part that I do. Once I have these done, I go ahead and dust my ends. This is not a trim. I only trim my hair once a year. I think the maximum I've done is twice per year, but it's not really time for me to trim my hair yet. When it's time, I will go ahead and try to record that and show that to you guys. But for now, I just didn't like how my ends were looking, and it had like, little strings at the end. So I just went ahead and like dusted it a little bit. Here we're going to go ahead and braid my hair. This is Jenny. Jenny was introduced to me by a friend, and this is my first time meeting her and her first time touching my hair. So that's why I even went ahead and like just made sure to like blow dry my hair to make sure that, for her ease, but also for my ease as well, because I almost never let anyone touch my hair and I didn't want it to be ripped out, and she was pretty gentle with it, which I really appreciated. So yeah, as always, I do cornrows in the front and braids in the back. So we're going to go ahead and I wanted a more of a goddess braid look in the back. So that's what you guys are going to be seeing. So I just used braiding hair, and then we also went ahead and like added a little bit of like curly hair, for like that goddess braids look. And I don't know why I'm cheesing hard and like laughing, but like I didn't even realize I'm that much of a talkative. But yeah, I was like talking the whole way through. We put on Netflix to make sure that, we're not tired, because if you get tired, like, you start to play with your hair anyhow. But Jenny was really gentle. Like, I told her, please do not mess with my hair, because I almost never let anyone touch it. And for me not to know her and to be able to like entrust my hair to her, like, she was very gentle with it. So yeah, this overall was a really good experience. Oh, also, do y'all see me holding my hair to my scalp? So yeah, that's like a technique. Y'all probably already know it, but if you don't, if you're getting your hair braided and as they're braiding and like pulling away, just make sure that you pull the bottom part to your scalp to make sure that your scalp is not being pulled. Your hair and your hair follicles are not being pulled away. And yeah, that's how the back looks. Now we're gonna go and move ahead into the front, where we're gonna be doing cornrows. I just know y'all gonna be coming from my forehead. Yes, I already know, because if you have a big forehead and you do cornrows, they look nice, but they just like accentuate your forehead. And I'm just like, okay, oh well, I have a big forehead. Like, yeah. And I just, you know what? I love it. I have a big forehead and I love it. And they, like, whenever I do cornrows, I get like an instant, like, it gives you kind of like a facelift. And yeah, I'm just gonna have y'all watch this. I don't know what else to say. She's just parting my hair, add an edge control to make sure that it's neat, and she goes ahead and braids it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of me talking for like 6 minutes on now, so I'm just gonna put some relaxing tunes in the background, and you can just watch and enjoy. And yeah, see you at the end. You guys, I kid you not, I put way too much oil in my hair, and if you think I'm glowing, I'm glistening. Like, there's enough oil on my face to fry chicken. Like, I'm not even kidding. The camera might slightly like make it a little less, but my tissues were getting oily and oily and oily. Oh my god. Okay, enough. Okay, let's go back into it. And yeah, that's the end result. Like, I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my earrings. I might record the takedown process when it's time. We'll see. But yeah, oh, also here's the hair growth serum. You could apply it to your protective style throughout. So for the rest of the 6 weeks, I'm going to be putting the serums in between my hair, the roots of my hair, to make sure that, you know, all the new growth that's coming in is moisturized and stuff like that. And yeah, also this is the deep conditioner that I talked about. I've showed you guys how to make it on here on my channel. You could also purchase it from me and just read the reviews for yourself. It works great. I recommend you go ahead and get it. We talked about the moisturizing leave-in conditioner, which I used in this video. As you can see, the reviews speak for themselves. You could go ahead and get that as well. When you go on the site, there's an email me and I'll send you like an outline of a routine to do. Just email me and I have an outline of a routine that I can send you if you don't know where to start, if you're just starting out. But yeah, we have the aloe vera and the Bhringraj oil can be used interchangeably. They serve similar purpose, but they also have different ingredients. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you really loved it, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.